was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
Hey friends, thanks for joining. Happy holidays. It's that time of year where we give, and I think I've got a great cookie recipe that you will want to share with all your friends and family and gift to yourself. We're making Taylor Swift's dark chocolate peppermint cookies, and if you've been a follower, you know that we made Taylor Swift's eggnog chai cookies and they were 10 out of 10 and so delicious. So we're excited to try her new one this year, and I think it's gonna be good. So let's get cooking. With any cookie recipe, you're gonna have your dry and you're gonna have your wet. So let's start with the dry. All right, let's get on to our wet. With any good cookie recipe, there is butter and there is sugar. And you've probably noticed by now that I am running solo today. Kat wasn't able to join, but obviously we didn't want to miss out on sharing, hopefully, a great recipe with you all. So I am here and I am baking by myself. I know, kind of scary. We're gonna beat this for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm gonna add the egg, and I think with that it will get creamier. Gonna do it in here just in case any shells come out. No shells, yay. All right, I'm gonna beat it some more. Actually, before I forget, I'm gonna add the peppermint. Can't have a peppermint cookie without the peppermint extract. So this one only calls for 1/4 teaspoon, so a little bit goes a long way. Ooh, and it smells like mouthwash. We are now going to incorporate the dry. The next step is adding our chocolate chips, just 1/3 cup. And I actually opted to use dark cacao, just to level it up and make it a little fancier and a little more decadent than what I'm used to making. But if you only have semi-sweet chocolates, go for it. I wouldn't make another trip to the store just for this. It looks like delicious chocolate overload ice cream. I know it's gonna be a good cookie. We need to freeze this. So we put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, or you can always put it in the fridge for about an hour. It helps make the cake or the cookie more moist. So I said it, but it's a good thing. I can't find another word for that. Help me. All right, I took it out of the freezer. Still chocolatey, still good. So now we're going to put it on the baking sheets, and we're closer to taste test time. All right, so we're supposed to do these about a tablespoon size and about 1.5 inches apart. If you're wondering what I'm doing, is I'm looking for the spoon I just had here, literally like a second ago. I think you're witnessing a moment here that I'm having of losing my memory a little bit. It's okay, I have more spoons. How many do you think these will make? I'm guessing 18. You think it's okay that I'm like manhandling these like this? I don't know. You're probably wondering, well, you should know. You're the one making the video, right? Okay. I've got 16 cookies. I was close. I said 18. Okay, we've got the oven at 350. We're gonna cook them for 8 to 10 minutes. So, be back in a bit. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hot, fresh out of the oven. Look how much they poofed. See, I'm glad I spread them out farther. This way they're not touching. Almost touching, but not touching. So the recipe calls for 1 candy cane. Crushed 1 candy cane crushed finely. But after I crushed one, it didn't quite look enough. And I didn't want to be hindered by how much, or limited by how much peppermint goodness I could sprinkle on. So I crushed up 4. And it doesn't say to press it in, but I'm just gonna give it a little press. Love it. So festive. So festive. Now we let it cool. these suckers stand pretty good. And I did not touch these. These have cooled completely and I haven't touched them since. The peppermints stand really well. Gee, I wonder if this is gonna taste good. Peppermint and dark chocolate. We shall see. Tasting a lot of peppermint. Could probably go a little easier on the peppermint. I think I added a lot, but I still like it. It's good. It's good. It's soft. I didn't burn the bottoms. I cooked them for 10 minutes. I'm so happy. It just tastes really good. Like a winter Christmassy dessert. Tastes like a grasshopper cookie. If you've ever had those from a certain brand I will not mention, but better and more natural because you know what ingredients are in here. Oh, Taylor Swift, amazing. She's a great singer, she's a great artist, and who knew, she's a great baker too. Oh, love the eggnog chai of last year, and I love the dark chocolate peppermint this year. I can't wait to see what she bakes again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. That would mean the world to us, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. See you then. Bye.
I purposely wore black because I know you gotta. Okay. Oh my gosh. 2 minutes is up.
Oh
No.
for everyone to enjoy.